Building smart, conditional forms doesn't require custom code. Let's look at a live recommendation form in Jahia Formidable and see how it was built. We start on the live website. Clicking a low rating of 5 stars dynamically presents a detailed feedback grid matrix. When the user changes their selection to 8 stars, the form hides the grid and presents image choice options. Selecting for sure displays a rich text section, prompting the user to leave a review on Capterra. Upon clicking Submit, the form validates, completes, and securely sends the entry data. Now, let's look at how we build this form in the Jahia JContent backend. After logging in, we navigate to the structured view of our recommendation page and add a new form component. Next, we attach our form action to save submissions to the JCR and add a custom width layout style. We then build out our form fields, a rating input set to 10 stars. Next, we add a grid matrix configuration mapping specific criteria like ease of use and performance. We introduce the image choice field, adding custom choices for sure and maybe. Then, we insert a section with a rich text link pointing to Capterra. With the fields placed, we define the conditional logic rules, linking rating values to the matrix and image choice visibility, and connecting the for sure choice to the Capterra section. Finally, we publish the form elements to make them live. Alternatively, this entire JCR structure can be generated automatically by an AI agent using the Jahia MCP server. Bridging Developer requests directly to live workspace configurations. Prism is more than just forms. It's a complete design system for Jahia, featuring Bento grids, hero banners, feature grids, and blog layouts. Build smarter forms today with Jahia. Visit GladTek.com to get started.